Do you want to make money streaming live on Twitch doing what you love to do? Are you a Twitch affiliate but it takes forever to reach the $100 payout minimum? Do you wish that there was a way that you can get your money faster? Well, I got some good news for you guys. In this video, we're going to talk about how Twitch is lowering their payout minimum from $100 to $50. Also, if you guys enjoy these videos, hit up the like button, hit up the sub button, and leave a comment down below. It really helps me as a YouTuber. Thanks again, you guys. Welcome into the video. My name's CalmCoolSavage and you're watching CCS TV. So maybe you clicked on this video and you want to start live streaming, so you're curious about what the payout is for Twitch. Or maybe you're already affiliated or a Twitch partner and you just want to learn more information about the payout decrease. Whatever it is that you want to know, I got you covered. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Let's have a conversation down there. So Twitch is lowering its payout minimum from $100 to $50. Let's talk about that. This phased rollout will be available to partners and affiliates as we introduce the new minimum country by country. Starting July 15th, the $50 minimum threshold will be available in Argentina, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Spain, and Taiwan. With more countries on the way in the coming months, we anticipate over 70,000 creators will see more regular payouts once this is fully rolled out. Now, if you think about it, $50 can be pretty easy to make on Twitch. If you can somehow make it your goal to get 20 subs a month, boom, there's a $50 payout. If you somehow get a 50,000 bit donation, boom, there's a $50 payout. You're just gonna have to work hard, stay consistent with your content, and keep grinding to build up your community. Now, Twitch goes on to say, we understand how important it is for you to quickly access the money you earn from streaming. This lower $50 threshold is one important step towards creating a faster, easier payout experience. One day, we'd love you to wrap up your stream and already have the money you earned from the stream in your wallet. As we aim for a lower payout threshold, we're focusing on building a trustworthy, accurate, and globally accessible experience for everybody. Now that's pretty cool to think about. Imagine if there wasn't a payout threshold and you just end your stream and you'd get the money in your bank. But you gotta wonder why Twitch is doing this. Lately I've seen a lot of people leaving Twitch to go to YouTube gaming, and the payout threshold for YouTube is $100. So maybe they're lowering it to $50 to tell people, hey, come over here, we have a lower payout threshold. Now this was set to roll out on July 15th, so if you're an affiliate or you're a partner with Twitch, you might already be seeing this. But if you're new to streaming and you're trying to make some money on Twitch, this is definitely going to make it a lot easier for you guys. And there you have it. That's my short video on the Twitch payout decrease. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit up the like button, hit up the sub button, and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching the video. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage, and I'll see you in the next one.